Okay, so I'm making this video for all y'all that's having troubles with your truck. Can't get it started. This is a 96 model Dodge Ram 1500 5.2 liter Laramie, and I've had several issues with it not wanting to start after I shut it off. You try 3 or 4 times, it might start up, it might not, and it's finally got to where it won't start at all now. And I took and replaced the coil because it wasn't getting fire. New coil, new wires, and still no start. So then I looked at the cam sensor, and I believe this is my problem right here. There's a way to test these things. It's too hard to explain. You have to look it up on YouTube. It's where I found it. But anyway, I took a test light, stuck it to the ground wire in there, and it would not light up. And I had the test light on hot positive. So I hope this is what my problem is. Thanks.